Hi and welcome to the Ogregaming video setup guide. Today we're going to set up Orgbot and Orgcraft. First thing we're going to do is go to your browser and go to the Org Wiki. If you don't already have a link for this, go to eq2.orggaming.com. Go to the main page. On the main page, go down to the new user walkthrough. If you don't already have a subscription, go ahead and sign up at this link. Once you have a subscription, go ahead and get the file. The link for it is right here. Click on that. We'll go ahead and save file. I will go ahead and drag that to my desktop. At this point, you can minimize. And the best way to go ahead and install this is go right click on your interspace icon, open file location, go to your extensions tab, double click, and drag ISX org DLL into this box. Okay, our next step is to start interspace. And then we'll go down to the configuration. Right click on the interspace icon and click configuration. And then you're going to go to game configuration. Select the one you normally select down in the right hand corner. Go to profiles for EQ2. Go to EQ2 default profile. We're going to go to startup. And we'll go ahead and edit this right here. It's called load. Now what we're going to put here is OGRE. That's all we're going to edit. It will load ISX EQ2 when it loads ISX org. Click on finished. Click on apply. Close this and exit the interspace. And go ahead and reload interspace. Now, when you start your EQ2, go to your default profile. You'll notice immediately when you start the game that you'll have a username and password for your org authorization. Go ahead and type in your username and password that you received in your email and click on accept. Okay, then go ahead and just sign in normally. Okay, we only have one more step to be able to make this run right. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and minimize your game. Right click interspace, open file location. Then you're going to go into the scripts file. Inside the scripts file, you'll go to EQ2 org common, and you'll go to the file that says do not share with others. Go in here to EQ2 characters Inc. Remove the part that says blank and rename that. Go ahead and open that with a text editor. It gives the instructions for how this is all set up right here at the beginning. Set your tune names here in this section. The only thing you really need to set up is your name. But if you'd like to use some of the automated features of org, you'll have to set your password, login name, and server name. To set up more than one character, you'll just need to copy these 5 lines right below. And you paste that for each one of the accounts. If you were running 6 accounts, you would have 6 logins. Now go ahead and close this window. Go back to your game. Then with your tithe key, open up the command window. You'll see that org is enabled. Go ahead and type in OGRE. Now when it first starts up, you'll have all these windows stacked to the top. Just put them in a comfortable place. Okay, now to access OrgBot, you go ahead and click on the Show Main, and you'll have your Guardian Manager. Now I will be covering a lot of these settings in a further video, but for now we'll just go ahead and stick with being able to get it started. To close the program, you just click on this X, and to close the control panel, you click on this one. OrgCraft works in a similar manner. Go ahead and hit your tithe key, type in OrgCraft. Your windows again will be up here. Move them to a good spot on your desktop. And I'll go ahead and explain the rest of these options and configurations in the video on OrgCraft and OrgBot. And that concludes our video on the OrgBot and OrgCraft setup. Thanks for watching.